In this video, we will go over the 16th lesson for 10th grade Character Strong. As always, we'll start off on the activity. Let the students know that today we'll be talking about what a growth mindset is. So on our first slide, we will kind of give a brief example or definition of what a growth mindset is. Feel free to go into more depth than just that. And then you're going to have the students kind of reflect on this question right here of an example of or a failure in their life or from a story, movie, or book or something of that nature. Then you are going to have students answer these three prompts. Now, I would first have students think, pair, share these. This slide is going to be the majority of the lesson. Really, the rest of the lesson is pretty weak, and so we're just going to focus on this slide here. So I would have students think, pair, share these three questions. You can even skip this bottom one because it's not that great. And then call on more than three students to answer those questions. So once again, you'll think, pair, share, and have, I don't know, like 5, 7, maybe even more answer these three prompts. And then after that, we are going to skip the rest of the lesson and go straight to the reflection questions. Really, the rest of the lesson is your students will not enjoy it. So then you'll just have, I had all of my students share one response to one of these prompts. So they get to pick which prompt they would like to answer. And I just had my students share it like they would for a lightning round. And that's all we're going to do for this lesson. The rest of the time, you can play those community building games. If your students are like my students, they're probably getting tired of those same games. And so you can always go to campus resources, go to relational activities, and then you can find more options.